Hello everyone, welcome to today's session of Certified Ethical Hacking. Uh, I hope everyone is able to hear me and able to see the screen. So, if you remember that we shared a PDF material, this thing in the Telegram channel. Okay, so we request you all to go through the PDF which is shared in the group. So, in today's class, we will be discussing about that material which we have provided and how to start with it. Before that, we want everyone to switch off your video camera so that we can not face any other issue. Your PDF material then we start we start right now, I hope you all are able to hear my voice. Let me know in the live chat. Okay. So I think I'm facing some issue with my microphone, and right now I'm using some external microphone right now. Okay. Well, so let us start from the beginning. I hope you all must have received the PDF materials which we shared in the Telegram channel. So you all need to download that PDF materials, and I will be sharing you details regarding that today. Okay, so that you all must get clear idea that what type of topics we will be going to cover, and how you can use the materials in order to go further. So let us start with that. First of all, this is the folder which we shared with you all. If you download the folder, the chmaster.zip, and if you unzip the folder, you will be getting two files. One is labs, other one is slides. Okay. In the slides, the theoretical part is there, and in the labs, the practical part is there. Okay. So there are total 40 modules, 20 theoretical, 20 practical, and we will be covering each and every module one by one. Okay. So these are the 20 modules in slides, which means the theory. In this folder, we will be continuing with the theoretical part, and when we cover each and every modules, we will be going with the practicals. So we'll cover each module one by one, and then parallelly the practical module. Okay. Suppose we covered our footprinting and reconnaissance module. After finishing the module in that class, we will be starting our labs of the particular footprinting and reconnaissance module. Okay. I hope it's clear. Now, so in these slides, we are having these 20 modules. In these 20 modules, we will be dividing it with different categories. Okay, different categories means for the first five modules, we will be learning the basics. The basic means that we will be covering 70% theory and 30% practical in the first five modules. Okay, everyone. So, first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. In these five modules, we will be learning the basics. Now, why five modules are for basics? Out of 20, why five are for basics? A lot of modules are for basics. Well, the answer behind this one is whenever you want to perform a ethical hacking or a hacking activity, the first and the important part is to gather information. Whatever information you can gather, you need to collect those information. Suppose if you want to hack a particular person, you need to know about the details about the person. If you want to hack a server, you need to know about the details of the server. So that one is the basic and the most important part. So in these five modules, we will be covering that. The first module, which will be starting tomorrow, will be Introduction to Ethical Hacking. This Introduction to Ethical Hacking module contains each and every details about the information of this thing, the CEH course, which we'll be going to complete in 40 days. Okay. In this module, we will be learning about security trends, laws of ethical hacking, ethical information security threats, attack vectors, different kind of tools, how to control information system, security, hacking concepts, penetration testing. All these things we will be learning in this introduction module. Okay, so tomorrow after completing this module, you will be having a proper understanding of ethical hacking, whatever you need to know about that. Okay, we just had our basic intro, not full information. So those left out information we will be studying in this module. Okay, after this module, we'll be starting footprinting and reconnaissance. Whenever you want to hack a person or hack a server or hack a particular target, you need to gather information. Those information can be gathered using these three modules: footprinting and reconnaissance, scanning network, enumeration. In these three modules, we will be learning the pre-phase activity. Pre-phase activity means an activity which is used to carry before performing an attack. So in these three modules, we will be learning how to find a target, how to scan the network, how to scan the IP address, how to scan the ports of the particular server, and rest of the details. Everything we will be looking into this module. After this module, we are having the vulnerability analysis. How many of you know about vulnerability? Anyone? How many of you know about vulnerability? Let me know in the live chat. Okay, So many of you don't know what vulnerability. Vulnerability, you can say, a type of loophole, weakness, bug, or a security error in a system using which a hacker can hack the system or exploit the system. In hacking, there are multiple phases, multiple processes. The first one is gathering information, then hacking it, then maintaining the access, and then covering the tracks. So these processes needs to carry some vulnerability scanning process. In vulnerability scanning, we try to find out weakness of the servers. Okay. So in vulnerability analysis, we will try to find out weakness of the server. Suppose if the server or the target having some bugs, some loopholes, some weak points, all those things you will be finding in vulnerability analysis. Okay. Still, I'm getting some messages from users that they are not able to hear. Please let me know, everyone, once again, if you are able to hear me or not. If the issue is from my side or from the other users. Okay, so based on the users, this thing messages, it shows clearly that my voice is clear. So those who are commenting or messaging that they're not able to hear, you need to join the audio or just try to go in a better network place. Okay. So in vulnerability analysis, we will be learning how to find bugs, okay, or weaknesses or loopholes in a server. Okay. After this module, from module number 6 to module number 20, we will be going with 70% practical and 30% theory. Okay. It's clear to everyone. The first five modules, we will be learning 70% theory and 30% practical. Okay. And after the from sixth module to 20th module, we will be going with 70% practical and 30% theory. This is the reason why we have shared the modules with you, so that when we start with the module number 6, you must go through the modules yourself. Okay. You need to go through the modules yourself also, so that uh, you can also learn about different terms and different definitions, so that during the practical you must know about what terms I'm using. Okay. You must not act like a layman. You must not um, this thing forget the terms and definitions, because without knowing the terms you cannot go with the practicals. Okay. So this is the thing. So first five modules we will be covering 70% theory, 30% practical. After that, the left out modules 70% theory, 70% practical, and 30% theory. Okay. So before starting, I wanted to let you all know that these five modules do not contain that much of practical. So when I will complete these five modules, do not ask for sir practical, sir practical, sir practical like this, because we need to follow proper syllabus. Okay. We will be only using few tools in these modules, so we'll be going with that. Okay. I will show you a tutorial on how to install Kali Linux in VMware, how to set up the tools, how to set up your environment. Okay. Then we will be using few tools to scan a network, to scan some host, to scan some ports, and how to look up for vulnerable servers or vulnerable networks or computers or system. Okay. But I assure you that in first five modules you will be also learning, if you are connected with a free Wi-Fi service, suppose on a particular airport or railway station, or if you're having free Wi-Fi service in your colony, society, or some place, you will be able to scan the network and look for the vulnerable systems, or you can even sniff the network and can perform man in the middle attack. So I can assure you that in these five modules, you will be learning all these things. Okay. But using not using that much of tools, but using some this thing techniques and different small tools. Okay. How many of you heard about this thing, Nmap, or Wireshark, or Kn-enable? Anyone? Yes. So in the pre-phase, this thing, in the pre-phase, we will be using Nmap, Wireshark, Kn-enable, these kind of tools to perform our practicals. Okay. So if you didn't heard about these tools, then don't worry. I will go with the installation tutorials also. So I was just asking for curiosity that how many of you know about these tools? Okay, there is no issue in that if you don't know. So all these tools are used for scanning a network. Nmap is also used for scanning a network. Wireshark is also used for capturing the packets. Kn-enable is also used for capturing the packets. So if you use these kind of tools and you are connected in a Wi-Fi network, and if there are other users also connected in the same Wi-Fi, then you can easily uh, sniff the packets of those users. If they're trying to log in over some website, you can just see their passwords. If they're trying to log out on a Wi-Fi network, you can see the password of the Wi-Fi, or whatever the things they are sharing over the internet, you can just sniff everything. Okay, so all these things you can perform in the first 5 modules. So first modules will take approx 1 week to complete. Okay, and the rest will cover one by one with the practicals. Okay, so I request everyone to go through the modules which I have shared. The first 5 modules you all need to go through today. Okay, because tomorrow we will be starting with our first module, which is Introduction to Ethical Hacking. In this module, there are a lot of pages. Well, in every module, we are having more than 200 pages, 150 and 200 pages. So it's not possible to complete each and every page in a single hour of session. That's why I have shared the module with you all so that you must go through the modules yourself also. Okay, just go through the modules yourself and try to uh, understand each and every terms, configurations, and the this thing details and definitions. Okay, so whenever if I use those kind of terms in next session, you must know that yes, sir is using this word, and the word and the meaning of this word is this. Okay, that like that. So it's clear to everyone what I'm trying to say here. Okay, and don't worry about the installation of this thing Kali Linux. We will be having a session on how to install it. Okay, after covering the information gathering module, we will have a 1 hour of session on how to install Kali Linux in your Windows operating system. You don't need to format anything from your system. Everything will be as it is. You will just installing two softwares. One is VMware, other one will be operating system of Kali Linux. That's all. These two things we will be downloading and installing. So you will not face any issues in this. But I suggest you all to have your system with minimum of 4 GB of RAM. You need minimum of 4 GB of RAM in order to install these softwares and to perform the practicals. We will be using the latest version of Kali Linux 2020. Look, uh, do not try to ask some questions which is irrelevant. I told you minimum requirement is 4 GB. Then why are you asking 8 GB is okay or not? Obviously, it will be okay. If it is more than 4 GB, then it's logically okay. Do not try to waste the time and all. Okay. I request from everyone: do not spam and do not waste time here. We are here to learn something in 40 days. We don't have more than 40 days. We are only having 40 days. So kindly try to maintain some rules and regulation in the live chat. There is nothing at all left in the drive. There are only two videos which is already uploaded in the drive: intro class and class 1. Okay. Okay, so in these first 5 modules, let me conclude how what we will be going to cover. The first one will be we will be covering the introduction, then footprinting and reconnaissance. Footprinting you must have heard about. You must have heard about detectives. Okay, detectives in movies try to find out their targets with the help of their footprints. It's correct. The same way, the same this thing way we use in ethical hacking or information security. Following the footprinting in digital world, information security. Okay, following the leads in order to find out basic information about the target, we'll be seeing in footprinting and reconnaissance. Then we'll be starting our scanning module. In scanning module, we will be learning how to scan a network. Suppose you are able to find out a target, then how to scan the target look for the basic details, that what type of operating system they are using, what type of ports they are having open, they are having closed, what is the IP address of their server, what type of database they are using, what type of subdomains they have. All these things we will be finding in scanning modules, scanning network module, module number 3. In module number 4, we will be using enumeration. Okay, what is the meaning of enumeration? Well, enumeration is not much different from scanning networks, but in enumeration, we try to find out data in a proper manner, in a proper list manner. Okay, so in enumeration, we will be seeing how to go in depth of scanning and how to find out ordered list of important data or basic informations. Then in vulnerability analysis, fifth module, we will be learning how to find bugs, errors, loopholes, weaknesses in a server, and then how to use the weakness in order to exploit the server. Okay, and after that, with the concept of vulnerability analysis, we will be hacking a system in module number 6. In module number 6, with the help of Kali Linux, we will be hacking a Windows user by creating a virus, giving the virus to the user. Whenever the user will download the virus, they will have access of the user and can control the system remotely. We will also try to hack passwords of Windows operating system in this module. Okay, so all these things we'll be going to cover from module number 1 to module number 5. It's clear to everyone? Those who are not able to download the material, the file I shared is a zip file. Okay, so first go to Play Store, search for WinRAR, WinRAR or WinZip. WinRAR and WinZip is a software which is used for Android smartphones to use the extensions or to use the files having the extension as zip. Okay, go to Play Store, search for unzipping APKs or softwares, download it, and then the file you can open easily. Well, I'm also using the same file which I shared to you all. And you can see if I double click on this, it's opening. Okay, I've not shared you something else. The same thing I have shared with you all. This is the same file I shared with you all. Okay, the same file. So, any doubts? Anyone? Let me know in the live chat. So, prepare yourself for the syllabus to start and let us do something in these 40 days. Okay. And many of you were having some queries, such as if I need to give some exam for certifications or not. Well, there are two types of certificates. The first certificate is included in the course by free. You don't need to attend any exams in order to get the certificate. The second certificate is a paid certificate in which you need to attend some exam, in which you need to you need to get minimum 70 to 75%. Then only certificate you will be getting. Okay, and that one is paid certificate. So by default, you will be getting a free certificate in this course after the completion of the course. I can install VMware and Kali Linux in Office laptop. Well, if you have certain permission in your office laptop, then yes, you can do. If you don't have permissions, then not. You cannot do that. Yes, you have to go through all modules before starting of tomorrow's class. Go through the module number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Just try to cover it. If it is not possible, then you need to at least cover module number 1 so that we can start tomorrow. The exam certification cost is $500. So that is from EC Council and it costs a lot. So that is exam certification. If you want to attend for the examination, you can just contact us after the course completion. We will give you a voucher with the exam kit, which is valid for 1 year. So in that year, whenever you want, you can go with this thing examination. Yes, 32-bit of operating system will work. We do not send different links for different videos. Each and every recording will be shared in the same drive link which is shared in the Telegram channel. Okay, I've already shared the Telegram link, the Drive link in the Telegram channel. Click on that. Each and every video will be uploaded there on the same link. The link will be not different for the different videos. In the PDF, there is no virus. Okay, there is nothing like virus in any file which I'm sharing. Yes, I will guide everything in how to install Kali, how to make portable pen drives, everything. So don't worry about that. Yes, you can prepare for OSCP exams also. You need to give a lot of time in order to do that because that examination is very, very difficult. So you need to gather as lot of an experience as you can. Well, the future scope is of course is that there are a lot of job openings all over the globe regarding the CEH or ethical hacker, as each and every companies nowadays needs the ethical hacker to protect their data. VPN we don't require. We are not doing anything illegal here, so we do not need any VPNs and all. We will start our first module tomorrow, not right now. Today I was just trying to share some information with you all what type of modules we are uh, going with. Creating third-party Telegram channels and groups is prohibited. If anyone try to create third-party groups and channels, their registration will be cancelled. Ethical hacking is not a topic to discuss with your friends and creating groups. So if someone try to create a group which is out of control of our team or me or admins, the person who created the group or the students whosoever joined the group, the registration will be cancelled because you may end up doing something illegal and the responsibility will be not taken by One Byte Labs. For asking doubts, we are having a portal, a forum, for which we'll be sharing the link with you all soon, where you can register yourself and you can post your questions there, where the tutors will be answering your doubts. I will be answering your doubts. Your friends can also help you in your doubts and all. There is no need of using antivirus. Job totally depends on your experience. It's not necessary that you will get a job. You need to focus and you need to get experience. After that only you can get jobs and all. Bug bounty we don't cover in this course, but I take different webinars on a weekly basis. So if we take any webinar, we will share you the link of the webinar which you can attend. Okay, we perform webinars on different topics which you can attend. So everyone, this is it for today's session. That was just an information session where we shared about some modules which we're going to cover. And let me know if anything else is there. Any doubts? And spamming is strictly prohibited. If you spam from next class, you won't be able to attend the session. So any doubts, anyone, regarding the topics which we discussed today? Okay. I know that many of you must be having a lot of questions in your mind. Do not worry, we are having 40 days to discuss that. You cannot ask each and every doubts in a single day. Okay. So don't worry. You will be getting plenty of times to discuss questions with me. Okay. We are having 40 days to discuss everything. So do not panic. Okay, everyone. So this is it for today. I request from everyone to go through the modules from module number 1 to 5 if it is possible. If it is not possible to go through all the modules, just go through module number 1 because we'll be having module number 1 tomorrow. Okay, and I want you all to know the basic terms because I will be skipping few pages in the modules, and you must not feel confused. Okay, So go through the module and attend tomorrow's session at same time. Okay, many of you asking my name. Well, I have shared a Instagram link also in the group as your tutor. This is Vikas Sharma, and I have also shared my Instagram profile in the group. Just go through the link and you can follow me over Instagram also. We are not going to cover 200 pages in one day. I told you all that I will not be going with each and every pages. I will be skipping various pages because I will be summarizing the whole thing in 1 hour of session. Yes, I will cover installation steps of everything. You don't need to download anything. I will let you know everything in the next session. Today's session will be uploaded as soon as possible when the session will end. Okay. Yes, job assistance is there after the course completion. Okay, everyone. So this is it for today's session. Uh, I hope you liked today's session and got the proper understanding. So this is it for today, everyone. I hope you liked it and thank you for your patience. Try to attend tomorrow's session as that one will be our first class for first module. So do not miss that. Okay. So this is it for today, everyone. Now you can leave the class and have a good night, everyone. Bye bye. Take care.